Hey, howdy out, Jana from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 23 of May I Scraplift You. And today I am I'm scraplifting this beautiful layout by Scrappy Jenny K, and I absolutely love it. It is so colorful, and heavily embellished, which is very much me. It's actually not heavily embellished, but it looks that way because of all the color. Like, I love how she did her little cluster here, and then she just has this little flower and a butterfly here, and then this little extra title here and a butterfly and a border, and that's it. But it looks like a lot of stuff. So I'm also going to be combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I'm still working on using my Simple Story, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection. And I actually am feeling pretty good about it because I have made a pretty big dent in it this month. So I have some pieces of flowers I fussy cut. I'm kind of going to stay close to her scrap lift. I got the main little paper to run down, and then I have this one to put my photos on, and she used 2 photos, but I'm going to use 3. And then I have a sticker title. I have these fussy cut flowers, and I have this sticker title that I just stuck on a piece of scrap cardstock I have laying on my table. And I have some butterflies I fussy cut and bent to make them a little bit dimensional. And then I have some buttons. This little piece I'm thinking I might use. I'm not sure yet. And instead of having the circle here, I'll be honest, I put this together in the middle of the night, and now it's morning and I'm filming it. But I was lazy and did not want to cut out another circle, like die cut it or whatever. So I decided I'm going to use these tags because I have a lot of these tags still left in the collection. And if you watch, you know it's very hard for me to use up tags. They're super cute. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use those in place of the circle. So let's work on just putting this together. It's going to be a really easy layout to go together. So since it's going to be so quick, I won't fast forward y'all today. So you'll just have to deal with my croaky voice and probably the occasional sniffle. Because my allergies are still really bad. So I'm just going to glue this one down. I love this. It was one of my favorite pieces in the paper collection. I absolutely loved it. And this paper is just one of the Hobby Lobby. It's the cheap thin ones that is open stock paper. I saw that they have some wood grain 8.5 by 11 paper, and I so wish they would do it in a 12 by 12 because I absolutely love the pack that they created. But I need it in 12 by 12 so that I have a full background sheet of it, not just part of it. So I didn't even show y'all, but these are my photos that I'm scrapping today. This one is a picture of my frog out in my frog pond. This is a picture of my clematis. And then this is a picture of my backyard out of my window. My roses, my clematis, my hydrangeas, my pink primrose. All of it is in full bloom right now. This picture was actually just took a few days ago. So I absolutely love this time of year. I didn't plant a single one of those things this year. All of it is bloomed from things that I've planted in previous years. So this one has raindrops on it, and I absolutely love it. But I could have a picture with everything with raindrops on it lately because it has like rained for a million days. And it's actually beautiful and sunny. I'm filming this on the day that it is posting, which is Friday of Memorial Day weekend. So, happy Memorial Day to all of you guys. Be safe this weekend. But I am ready to get outside and do some yard work. I know it's not going to help my allergies any. I'm going to be back in a bad boat again, but I take allergy medicine every day, but all of this rain and stuff, it helps. I guess it helps some with the pollen, but it doesn't help with all the mold and spores and stuff it creates from all the dampness. So, and the humidity is off the charts. So, I probably should have did these one at a time. I'm going to turn my paper around, and I probably didn't leave enough room either to stick them under here. So, in true Shannon fashion, let me unglue what we already glued. Okay, let's see here. I just wanted to get these so that the edge is right underneath. Oh, they're already gluing together. Okay. Just so that they're just barely glued under the edges, and I kind of wanted to repeat the circle shape, and I could technically do 2 more tags there just to kind of round it out, but I think I'm going to leave it like that. And then I have my buttons, and I'm just going to add those to this and put them on this instead of tying any string or anything over them. Let's see here. And I kind of color matched them up. Like I put the pink on the one that has the pink circle, and I don't know that it mattered. On a few of them you can see behind them, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, let's see here. And then I have my flowers, and I'm kind of just going to go with what she kind of done and just create a few little clusters. I am on my last piece of fussy cut flowers that I have, and I'm a little bit sad about it. Oh man, I didn't push these in far enough, and I bet I can't pull them up. Maybe I can. Yeah. Well, not only did we rip one thing up today, but now we're going to rip 2. Because these are out too far. I need them to go in further. Okay, this one's still stuck. I'm trying to be gentle when pulling stuff up because, like I said, this is that thin, cheap Hobby Lobby paper. Okay, I'm going to go in further. So I have enough room for my flowers. See, that's what happens when I start talking. I don't pay attention and I mess up. But it's okay. It's not nothing that we can't fix. Look at that. Now we have room to fit it on. Okay, there's that one. And then I have this one, and I think I'm going to put it right here. Or maybe here. Let's see. Oh, I do have my title I'm going to put down here. So, let's see. Maybe I'll do that here. I want to leave these tags so that I could actually journal a little bit on there. And I think that'll leave me enough room to do that. So I'm just going to put that on there. And I'm just going to put this here. That little frog, he's so cute with all of his little patterns. There's like a gazillion frogs, like, and now they make noise all day and all night because I'm guessing it's mating season. And yeah, but it's like team meetings out there for the frogs. I can look out my window and there is like literally a frog on every rock all the way around the little pond. And there'll be like 10 or more frogs out there. I'm like, that is crazy. Let's see. Let's just add a little butterfly in somewhere. That one's a small one, and then this one. And I could pop these on foam if I wanted to, but I'm not going to go that far with it. So, and then she did like a border, plus she did the little tab here, extra little embellishments, but I don't know if I even want to use that. I don't think I am. Here's this one I have that says, let's see what these ones say. Have memories, important, I don't think those really fit. All the details. I could put all the details and then do my journaling. Captured. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use it. Maybe I'll use all the details. Anyways, that is going to be the layout. Definitely go over and show Scrappy Jenny K some love. And help her reach her next milestone. I'm sure she's probably trying to get to 500 subscribers since she's at 352. Leave her some love over there, and check out everyone else that is also playing along with How to Kill a Kit with Style and May I Scraplift You. And I think that's it. I'll post a close-up at the end with the complete layout and all my journaling. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.